Very good morning and warm welcome to my dear children. Welcome to digital learning. I'm sure you all are enjoying digital learning as you enjoy in your class. Yes, very good. Let's begin today with English grammar. Lesson number 6, Pronouns. In this lesson, we are going to learn about nouns. So first, let us learn what noun is. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun is called pronoun. I repeat, a word used in place of a noun is called pronoun. At times, we use certain words in place of noun. Such words are pronouns. Basically, pronouns include I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs. These are pronouns. In this lesson, we are going to learn personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, possessive adjectives, demonstrative pronouns. These are the four types of pronouns, three types of pronouns and one type of adjectives we are going to learn here. But today we will deal only with first two types. Let us begin with personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used in place of names of persons, animals, or things. I repeat, personal pronouns are used in place of names of animals, persons, or things. The word used in place of person's name, animal's names, or thing's name, such kind of word is personal pronoun. Let's move ahead to next topic. Yeah, before we go to second topic, we need to refer this chart. In this you can see there are three types of group. And to these three types of group, what personal nouns are used, it is shown. Dear children, the same chart is in your workbook also. So, first person is speaker, the one who speaks. Okay? The one who speaks is a speaker. In the sentence, when speaker is speaking, personal pronouns like I, me, we and us is used. When it is a second person, that is a listener. When it is a second person, that is listener, the one who listens. Personal pronoun you is used. Personal pronoun you is used. Then comes third person. Now this third person can be a person, can be animals or can be things about whom we spoke, about whom the first person spoke. Okay? Third person can be any persons, any animals or any things. In short, about whom the first person is speaking. At that time, personal pronouns like he, him, she, her, it, they and them is used. For third person, he, him, she, her, it, they and them is used. I hope this chart is clear to you. Now, let's go ahead. Next comes possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns, they shows possession, belonging or ownership. Possessive pronouns shows possession, belonging or ownership. Here is another chart stating possessive pronouns. Now, when it is first person, that is a speaker, possessive pronouns like mine or ours is used. For first person, that is for speaker, mine or ours is used. If it is a second person, the one who listens, that is listener, yours is the possessive pronoun used. For second person, that is listener, yours is the possessive pronoun used. Then comes third person. It can be persons, animals or things, or about whom first person is speaking. So, third person, possessive pronouns used are his, hers, theirs, its. For third person, his, hers, theirs, its is the possessive pronoun used. I hope the second chart is also clear to you. Now, let's see few examples and evaluate ourselves. The first is, don't touch the iron. The iron is hot. In this, we have to rewrite the sentence using pronouns in place of the words in red. In the sentence, what is written in red? Very good. The iron is written in red. So, it is a thing. So, pronoun which fits better here is it. So, the sentence will be, don't touch the iron. It is hot. Let's move to second example. Ranjani is sleeping. Ranjani is wearing a night suit. The night suit is pink. Over here, Ranjani and the night suit is written in red. So, in place of that, we have to select perfect pronoun. So, Ranjani is a girl, female. For female, we use what? She. And the night, it can be used. So, the correct sentence is, Ranjani is sleeping. She is wearing a night suit. It is pink. Let's move ahead few more examples. B. Underline the personal pronouns and write whether they are in the first person, second person or third person. The words which are underlined, you have to recognize if it is a first person, second person or third person, means group you have to decide. The first sentence is, we will take part in the marathon. It is on Monday. We is a first person and it will be the third person. Second, we will also ask others to join us. Here we and us is underlined. So we is a first person and us is also a first person. Next, C. Fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. Yamini lives across the street. Dash is my friend. Yamini is a girl and in place of her, what you will write? She is my friend. Abhay and Arun are running to school. Dash are late. Abhay and Arun, they are two males but two together. So what you will use? They are late. D. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. The book belongs to Sonam. It is dash. Hers. The farmhouse on the hill is dash. We go there Every summer. Ours and theirs. What is the correct pronoun that fits here? Yes. Is ours is the correct answer. So dear children, with the help of this example, the concept is quite clear to you. I'll share you a PDF of answers till page number 18 and you will write that in your workbook. And also I have given you small homework which you have to solve on your own. Tomorrow when I send PDF, that PDF will include the answer of the worksheet which is asked you to solve on your own. So enjoy your digital learning. Till that, bye. Take care. Stay